What's going on? Nick here with the American Motorcycle Trading Company in Bedford, Texas. Got a 2012 Harley Davidson Street Glide. Beautiful color, big blue pearl. It's got hints of green, purple flake in it. Bike's got a 103-inch fuel-injected twin-cam, 6-speed transmission. It does have some cosmetic issues. There's some fine scratches on the saddlebag lids. A little spot right there. There's some scrape marks on the bottom side of this bag. Bike's got some upgraded grips, chrome switch housings, chrome switches. On the front fender is probably the biggest spots. There's some decent sized chips. There's one right there. One on the very front. It's got the short tinted windscreen. It's got a brand new Michelin Commander 2 tire. It is one of our certified pre-owned motorcycles. There's a couple little chips there. So it's been through our 32-point pre-delivery inspection. We test rode it, made sure everything was working correctly, gave it a professional detail. All the chrome's in good shape. It's got the heel toe shifter. This bag was in good condition. It's got the 4-point docking hardware with a quick detach passenger backrest. There's a mark right there. There's one on the bottom side of the bag. There's a couple chips. Looks like, I don't know what kind of tire that is. A Metzler tire. That's got a good tread on it. Overall a good bike. Runs and rides great. There's a switch here. I'm not sure what that's for. Some accessory lights or something, I'm not sure. It's got 23,345 miles. It's also got cruise control, yeah. Needs a set of pipes on it. We got a full parts and service department. We carry slip-ons and things like that. Got your battery tender pigtail installed. If you'd like to know more about it, pick up the phone and call us at 888-400-1151. You can also check out our website at cleanharleys.com. Got a full set of detailed pictures. You can also see the rest of our inventory. We do offer financing and warranty options. We take almost anything in on trade, and we sell and ship bikes worldwide. This is Nick with the American Motorcycle Trading Company in Bedford, Texas. The freedom to choose.